Biscuit Boy Click.
Lost in every thought, I just cannot escape from me. Lately I hate being sober, I need space so I can breathe. Say I'm fine, but I know I'm not giving what I got, but it's not enough. Feel the stress when I wake up, only good at fucking up, yeah. Fucking up, I'ma fuck up, Under pressure lately, I've been going through it. Unexpected outcomes hit me like a bullet. Ayy, what makes me happy, I don't even know. Stay at home because I can't relate to anyone. Ayy, the people around me got me cautious. I gotta make it, no other option, yeah. Late at night, getting faded. I've been contemplating about the things I'm facing. Pain from lost relations, saying words you can't take back. Why you do this to me when I wouldn't do it back? Getting mad, I need to relax. I've been working on these tracks, make a milli for the fan. Trying to be a better man, just know I've been taking every chance. And all those who support me, I'ma show you why I'm next. For real though. Live fast, got 90 on the dash. Lost love's all that I have, yeah. Making moves but I'm so silent. Can't have my heart cause you'll never find it, yeah. And I've been speeding like a time lapse. Labels hit me with the conscience and said fuck that, yeah. Feeling down, I gotta bounce back. I'm making moves, I'm steady working cause I can't lie. All these feelings stuck inside, I can't reveal. Fuck a label, I don't even need a deal. On my own, so please don't hit myself. I can do this and I'll do it by myself, yeah. In every thought, I just cannot